riding out the fall, if it would ever stop. I didn't think that far. I was opening doors to places I was not meant for. I thought I could return. I didn't know where I was going from there.
Alright guys, so as you can see, my car was loaded with fucking snow. My house has a shit ton of snow. Buffalo right now just has a shit ton of snow. But right now we're at the gym. I'm gonna go in. I have a push workout. I have a 2x8, 55% of my squat. It's not a 5.5 RP, it's just 55% of my max. Because obviously I'll have more in the tank, because like, yes. And then I have a 2x8, what is it for my, and then I know I got Spoto press. I got a 3x6, 80% of my max. And then I think we're gonna hit some shoulders after that. And then I think I'm just gonna do shoulders because I didn't get to go to the gym yesterday because basically Buffalo was like in a state of emergency for how much snow we got. It was like a big ass blizzard yesterday. Apparently there's still gonna be some whiteouts, but I don't know. The sky looks fine to me right now, but yeah, I'll see you guys inside.
Trying to see what was over in the clear. It was right in front of me. Right in front of me.
Pre-workout's gonna be really fucking hard, so I'm going to a heavy single and then go back down to 55%, so that's like 250, 2x8, because this shit is amazing. Dust, can't get over it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because I can't fucking breathe right now, because I'm ready to go through a fucking wall. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
I was waiting on the edge for everything to start. I couldn't see my hand. This emotion was an art, but things I couldn't mend will never be too far. And now I'm standing up against a wall. Wish I could start this all over again, again.
So I appreciate you guys watching my video, but I literally just had the biggest oh shit moment of my life. So I was unpacking my gym bag to start editing this video that you're watching now, and I couldn't find my camera bag. So I literally tore, I've tore my whole fucking gym bag apart. Like, all my, like, there's nothing in my gym bag. I tore the whole fucking thing apart, right? And I couldn't find my camera. I called the gym. They searched the locker room. It wasn't in there. And then I'm like, all right, fuck. And then you see this Gatorade towel right here? Right here? I picked it up. Camera's right fucking there. Right in front of me. So, yeah. Just realized how oblivious I am and how stupid, you know, I got scared because, I mean, obviously I just got the camera and it's really expensive, but I mean, this was an oh shit moment. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I had a really good leg day today. Pre-workout really helped me kick in. It felt good to actually kind of get a rest day off yesterday with the blizzard we had and shit. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.